This is TWiT. Next week begins Microsoft Build. Have you been obviously you've been looking at the catalog, the course catalog, planning your days. What have you seen? What do you think? What's going to go on?
So
what's
there's
your big thing?
Windows,
What do you have if you look at this, what do you see, Mary Jo, that is like, this is what I have to watch? Have to watch.
Nothing.
Yeah. It's tough because even like the stuff that's like Windows 10 developer, it's a lot of like WSL, Windows Terminal.
I know. Stuff we already know about. .NET 6, right? If you look at the big themes that they have, and you know what, these are important to developers. I'm not trying to be dismissive. I'm just saying these aren't something that I write a lot about. There's a lot of Java. There's a lot of Kubernetes. There's, GitHub as the developer's cloud all up. A lot of Power Platform, Graph APIs, how to extend teams with Graph APIs. It's all stuff that I know developers will care about. I'm very curious what they're going to have as the big news, right? Like what's going to be their big things that they highlight on day one. Satya Nadella.
It's not going to be client. It's not going to be client based.
It's not going to be client. It is not.
Yeah.
There's some client stuff, like you said. There's WSL. There's Windows Terminal.
Yeah. I mean,
Power.
There's a session about Project Reunion and desktop development, right? I mean, Maui and like you said, .NET 6. I mean, that stuff's all. Yeah, it's all. I'm interested.
Yeah.
But there's only a few. I mean, there really aren't that many.
No, I know. Although the session lists that we see, there's like almost 300 sessions there or whatever. That's not the full list. They always hold things back or hide certain sessions, right? So I'm hoping there's something that they're hiding that's going to be like, okay, this is the big thing, right? But just so you know, like when I was looking at what if I was making a buzzword bingo card, the biggest bingo word I saw or phrase was developer velocity. Okay, so that tells you everything you need to know right there.
For you non-drinkers in the audience, the bingo card you want is Windows.
Yeah.
Because if you're looking for that one to come up, you're not going to be drinking too much.
It's not going to be a whole lot of that. Yeah.
Yeah.
There's going to be a lot about AI, machine learning, how you add those to apps and kind of bring those front and center when you're designing new apps. There's going to be a lot of things about data, right? How to make your organization data driven. That's like a big theme for Microsoft these days, and how to, tie apps that you're building and services that you're building into all the different data platforms that Microsoft has. But yeah, there's going to be more, right? There's going to be something on day one that's like the big, kind of hyped up thing, like Mesh was for Ignite, right? I don't know what it is, so far I don't know. I'm still going to tune in. I'm still hoping there's going to be something big.
I can hear an ice cream truck driving by my house. I don't like ice cream, but I'll be right back.
I know you don't.
Weird.
Oh, man. Yeah.